Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, central White County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Union County in north-central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Turner's Corner, or 7 miles northeast of Dahlonega, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Helen, Unicoi State Park, Whitney Gap Shelter, Robertstown, Low Gap Shelter, Camp Coleman Lake, Smith-Galwoods Conservation R, Porter Springs, Turner's Corner, Blood Mountain Shelter, Sutee, Gooch Mountain Shelter, and Kalachi Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m.